Okay, so number of subsets of the set is a 4. Is it true or not? The answer is a false. Okay, so let's understand why the answer is a false. Okay, so the question is a number of subsets. So let's review of a number of subsets. So first, number of elements is a 4. Okay, because there are 4 elements: rabbit, horse, cow, and dog. And the number of subsets, that's 2 to the power, which is 16. Number of proper subsets, that is 16 minus 1. Always subtract 1 from here. Okay, so that's what it is. So number of subsets is a 2 to the number of elements, cardinal numbers. Okay, are we okay with this? Okay, let's move to number 2. Find the number of a proper subset. So it's a continuation of a subset, proper subset, a set of elements, and so on and so forth. We first write this into roster method. So A is equal to, okay, any number between 1 and 21 and odd numbers. So we don't include 1. So 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, and 21. So this is the easiest way. This is the best way to do it. And then let's count how many are they. So cardinal number, which is number of elements of set A. How many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 of those. So number of subsets, okay, from previous one, it's 2 to the power 10, which is, anyone have a number? You have a calculator. 2 to the 10th power, which is 1024. Number of proper subsets, which is 2 to the 10th minus 1. Or you can have subtract from 1. So it's a 1023 proper subsets. Okay. All right. Any question of those two? No question. Okay. Let's move to the next one. This time I need your help. It's because I don't have those numbers with me. So help me out. Construct a Venn diagram. Okay, so we have 3 subsets. So students like music in type of rap, rock, and pop. Okay, so 3 types here. And then there are so many of those options here. Okay, so clearly 42 we listen all. So I put 42 here. That's the beginning. Okay, and then 58 use rap and rock. 58 use rap and rock. So 58 is rap and the rock. So this is a 58 together. Okay, so what's the remaining part? This is a 58. So 58 minus 42, 16. Okay, and then 54 listened rap and pop. So this is together 54. Okay.
That's 12.
12. Okay, thank you. So that's 12. And then 61 with the rock and pop. So rock and pop. This is rock and pop. That's a 61 together. So
That's
how many?
19.
19. Okay, I have 19 here. All right. 85 listen to the rap. So 85 is all this. 85.
That's 15.
15. Okay. Thank you. So let me use this. So here's a 15. Okay. 92 is rock. So how many goes here?
15.
15. Still 15?
No, on rock is 30.
Rock
And
is
pop is 15.
30, pop is 15. How about pop? Here is a 103.
Pop is 30, rock is 15.
So
The
rap
other way
equals
around.
15.
Yeah.
Is this 15 same as this 15?
Yes.
Oh, it's the same number. Okay. Here. All right. So it's a total of 250 middle school students. So how many goes outside?
101.
101.
How did you get 101 again?
You add everybody, subtract from 250. Okay. So you add everybody, subtract from 250. Okay, so we have table now. Based on this, how many listen to none of this music? 101. Exactly 2, 12, 19, and 16, which is
47.
47. Okay. At most one means one or more. At most one. Okay, or more. 12. This is 2. And then 3. 1 or more. Excuse me, at most one, I'm sorry. This is not the at least one. This is 1 or more. So sorry. At least means 1 or more. At most means 1 or less. Okay, 2 different things. Okay, 1 or more. Is it 250 minus 101, which is 149? It's 149. 1 or less. 1 or less. Which is 161. Okay, 149, 47, and 101. Okay, Venn diagram. Venn diagram is extremely important. Venn diagram will be on the exam, not just for the exam on Wednesday, but in a few weeks, we also have a final exam. It's on it, okay? So make sure you know how to count, construct a Venn diagram, know how to read from it, okay? Make sure you both know both. All right, so this is page 2. All right, 152, next page.
I have a question. What was E again on Venn diagram? Oh. The answer, oh, it was the, okay, never mind, yeah. Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
Okay, let's look at the number 4. You have a universal set ABC, subsets, and we want to find this. So here is one thing in order to do this things right here. A intersect with the B complement. B complement is B complement. It's just notation. Okay, so we first look at B complement. B complement means element is not in B. You look at the universal set and element is not in B. So N, P, R, T, V, W is away. So it is M, O, Q, S, U, X, Y, and the Z. This is a B complement. Okay, B complement is not in the B. Okay, so we are looking at A intersect with the B complement, which is you look at A, you look at B complement, intersection means common elements. Okay, intersection means common elements. So what are common elements between A and B complement? Here's M, there's O, there's a Q. Okay, that's it. There's no others. So M, O, and Q. So let's erase this. Okay, so the next one, part B. It is A intersect with the B union and the C complement. So what we do is inside of a parenthesis, B union C, okay? Inside of parenthesis, B union C. So B union C, take a complement, intersect with the A. So we have a plan. So number one, B union C. Union means everybody. Oh, okay, B union C. We have a B, we have a C. We write it everybody. So write it out, okay? N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X. B union C. Everybody is in B, everybody is in C, union. All right, and then we take the complement. Complement, which is, you look at the set and you look at this B union C, anybody not in B union C is B union C complement. B union C complement. So let's look at B union C complement. All right, M, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z, okay? So M, Y, and Z. This is a B union C complement. Okay, B union C complement. And then number three, A intersect with B union C complement. Okay, so A is M, N, O, P, Q, R intersect with M, Y, and Z. Intersection means common element. So here's M, that's it. So it's M. Okay. We have, that's it, right? So those two are the questions of number 4. Okay, union, intersection, complement. Let's look at number 5. This is a similar question that we had a weekly quiz. I hope you remember this. Set A has 158 elements. Set B has a 47 elements, 18 elements in common. How many elements are in A union B? So number of elements in A union B, that is number of elements in A, plus number of elements in B, minus number of elements in both. Okay, number of elements in A, number of elements in B, number of elements in both. So how many are they? Oh, come on. What's the number? Give me the number. Anyone? Michael, you have a number?
187.
187.
87. Okay, so there are 187. Thank you. All right, so that's the page. Okay, that's the page. So you look over. All right, let's move to the next page. Okay, standard plate number. Okay, so New York license plate has a 3 digits followed by 3 letters. Okay, 3 digits followed by 3 letters. So 1, 2, 3 digit followed by 3 letters. 3 digit followed by 3 letters. So 3 digits and 3 letters. 3 digits and 3 letters. What are digits? Digit means, okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are digits. Letters, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then all the way down to X, Y, Z. Okay. If digits and letters can be repeated, okay, so I can say A, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so digit and letter can be repeated. 1, 2, 3 digits, 1, 2, 3 letters. If it's repeated, there are 10, excuse me, the digit by follow. Okay, sorry. So we have 1, 1, 1, A. Okay, so digits. So first one, I have 10 choices. 10 choices. It could be repeated. 10 choices. The letter, I have 26, 26, 26. Okay, this is a fundamental counting principle. Fundamental counting principle. Okay, fundamental counting principle. So we multiply 10 times 10 times 10, 26 times 26 times 26. And what do we have? It's a huge number, right? So 17576 000. 17,576,000. Are we okay with this? All right, let's look at next one. If digit and letter cannot be repeated. Okay, so digit 1, 2, 3, letter A, B, C cannot be repeated. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 digits. Suppose I pick one digit, I cannot pick the same one, so I have a 9. The next one, I have 8. Letter, I start with the 26. The next one is 25. Next one is 24 because I cannot repeat. Cannot repeat it. Multiply. Okay, so you have a calculator 10, 9, 8, 26, 25, and the 24. You have whatever the number is, 11, 2,
1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 0, 0, 0.
0, 0. Okay, so 11 million and so on and so forth. Okay, let's look at next one. If repetition are not permitted, first digit cannot be 0. Okay.
Wait, what was the answer for the last one? I didn't, sorry. Okay, let me see.
All right, so
Yeah.
cannot be
Yeah.
repeated. Okay. Okay, so no repetition. Digit cannot begin with a 0. So I can have 102 A, B, C, the first digit 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. First digit cannot begin with a 0. So I have 9 choices. Okay. The second digit, okay, I already chose 1, so I have 9 digits. Okay, and then 8. 26, 25, 24, no restriction. Okay, so 26, 8, 9. I have 10, 10. What is this? 8,800. Okay. Okay, so altogether, there is the page. Okay, let's turn the next page. Okay. Another probability, 12 male, 16 female students selected to go 6 college scholarship. Okay. All right, so there are 12 male, 16 females. Okay. And we choose 6 of them. Okay. Find the total number of a group of 6 recipients. Okay, now the thing is, we have to check. Repeat, no repeat. Okay, now, can you pick same person twice? We give a scholarship, we pick Aaron a scholarship. We don't pick Aaron again, we pick Connor for next one. So no repetition. The next one is, does order matter or order does not matter? Does it matter? We give a Connor first and then Aaron, or Aaron then Connor. Order does not matter. So it's a no. This is a permutation. This is combination. So we know this is combination. So this is the first thing you have to do. Okay, this is the first thing you have to do. So no repetition, order does not matter. It's a no, combination. Total number of choose 6 recipient. Okay, so total numbers, this is important part. Total number. What's the total? Their total 28. Agree? There are total 28. How many we choose? Whether we choose all 6 female or 6 male or a combination of a male and female, doesn't really matter. It's a 28 total. We choose a 6. That's a total number of the 6 recipient. Okay, so you have your calculator, 28 combination 6. It's a large number. 376740. Okay. So far, so good. Now this time, we want to make 3 male and 3 female. Okay, 3 male and 3 female. So this time, I want to find in particular, okay, in particular, not just the all 6 male or not all 6 female and things like that. 3 male and 3 female. So still combination here. Still combination. This order does not matter. Okay, no repetition. There are 12 male, we pick 3. There are 16 female, we pick 3. That's what it says. Okay, 3 male and 3 female. We always multiply this together. Okay, so what's 12 combination 3? Okay, 12 combination 3, you have a calculator, which is a 220 multiplied by 16 combination 3. We have a 560 together. Okay, don't forget this is multiplication and multiplication. Okay, times 220. We have
123, 200.
300. Right, 1, 2, 3, 200. All right, finally, probability of choosing 3 male and 3 female. Probability of choosing 3 male and 3 female, that is number of ways to choose 3 males and 3 female over total. Okay, number of ways to choose 3 male and 3 female, which is right above, and the total, which is right here, 376, 74. Okay, 74. Okay. So this is a part B over part A. Okay, and then is this reducible? Okay, let's see. Maybe not. Okay, we'll just take this zeros away. So that is 1, 2, 3, 2, 0 over 37674. Maybe you can reduce just divide by 2. It's because it's an even number. Let's divide by 2. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 2, 0 divided by 2. 61, 60. 37674 divided by 2. We have 18, 80, 837. Yes, that's all we can do. Reduce fraction. But the important part is this. The important part is this. A and the B. That's the important part. Okay. Do we understand this? Okay, so whole page is all about combination and the probability. Let's move to the next one. There's a lot of questions here. Okay. Based on skill in basketball, it was computed when Joe threw a free throw. Odds in favor. Okay, probability. Odds in favor of the event are A to B. Odds against event are B to A. Probability of event is A over A plus B. Probability of a not event, that is a B over A plus B. So these are 4 things. And then in fact, next page, we have that table to fill in. These are the major formula that you must be memorized at, right? Circled in here. So we have here, 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 and here. Go back to the problem. Okay, go back to the problem. So odds in favor are 1 to 36. So what is the probability? He made it. So probability of that event, okay, free throw. That is 1 over 1 plus 36, which is 37. That's what it is. All right. Are we okay with this? Let's move to number 9. Okay, movie theater sells 4-size popcorn, 3 choices of toppings, 2 glazing. How many possible ways to bag the popcorn? This is a fundamental counting principle. We have 3 groups. Okay, size of a popcorn. We have toppings of the popcorn. We have a glazing of the popcorn. So we have 4 size, 3 toppings, 2 glaze. Okay, multiply that. 24 ways to choose. Okay. All right, number 10. The fraction, okay, 88 factorial, of course, if you use 88 factorial, there's no way you can find it. It's overflow. Now I want to find the 88 factorial over 90 factorial. So we know 88 factorial means you multiply 88 integers. 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way down to 88. You multiply 88, ideally, okay, huge number. 90 factorial, that means 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, all the way down to 88, 89, and 90. Okay, you multiply all these numbers up to 90. Divide, all this divide. Okay, same number on the numerator, same number in the denominator. Everybody canceled all the way down to 88. What's left? If there's nothing left, it's 1 over 89 times 90. That's what it is. Okay, so 89 times 90. You have 8010. So that is 1 over 8010. Okay. Factorial key. Dot the factorial. All right, let's turn the next page, which is the last page. All right. So we have a table to complete. So let's just review of probability 4. Okay, just write it out. Those are okay conditions here. Right here. A over A plus B. Probability against, which is not probability. Odds in favor, A to B. Odds against, B to A. Okay, then we're able to answer that question. Right. So we know probability 4 is a 4/13th. So probability against, so 13 minus 4, which is a 9/4, 9/13. Odds in favor, 4 to 9. Odds against, 9 to 4. Okay. We have this before the break, so you probably have this. So just remember that, okay. Odds against, 7/8, so it's 1/8 here. Because 1 plus 7 is 8. Odds in favor, 1 to 7. Odds against, 7 to 1. Odds in favor, that's given, so 3 to 7, 3 to 4. Okay, probability over total, not probability over total. Okay, odds against, 7 to 1. We flip this, 1 to 7. Odds in favor. So probability 4, 1 over total. Probability against, 7 over total. Okay. Question. So this part will not be given, so you just memorize that. So I just want to take that off. Okay.
Yeah, I have a question. So when there is no probability, you add, right? When there's no
Yeah,
probability?
yes, so it's odd in favor. Okay, making total. Yes.
Okay.
Making total. Yes. Okay, so which is the last problem for the page. Suppose we flip a coin and roll a die. Okay, so flip a coin. Okay, so we have either head or tail. Okay. Roll a die. We have 6-sided. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We make a table. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And these are the choices. Okay, either head or tail. And we have a 6-sided. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have total of 12 choices. How many different outcomes are possible? Can you list all possible outcomes? And these are outcomes. So for example, here is a head and 1. Here is a head and 2. Here is a head and 3. And here's a head and 4. And here's a head and 5. Here's a head and 6. And there's a tail and 1. And tail and 2. And tail and 3. Tail and 4. Tail and 5. Tail and 6. I think I mentioned it last time. Anytime you play with the die, make a table is the easiest thing you can do. So there are 12 possible outcomes. Okay, and the list all outcomes, you write it, head 1 all the way down to tail 6. And those are the 12 outcomes. Okay, so you just write it out. Okay, what is the probability of getting tail on a coin and even numbers? Okay, so probability, tail, and even numbers. That is a number of ways to choose tail and even numbers over total. Okay, tail and even numbers. Tail and even numbers. There are 3 of this. Total, 12. Reduce it, 1/4. Okay. Any question? Okay, so these are all this review of the 2 chapters.